Hi guys, welcome to the second lesson of grade 9 algebra with Archimedes Tutor. We're going to be doing like and unlike terms, so let me just start off with a quick definition of a term. A term is a number, variable, or both separated by addition or subtraction operators, or plus or minus signs. So for example, 5 and 2x to the power of 3 are both terms. A synonym for term is monomial. Now like terms are terms with the same variable and exponent. For example, 5x and 3x are like terms because they have the same variable of x and their exponents are both 1. Another example is minus 2xy to the power of 2 and 4xy to the power of 2 because they have the same exponent for x and the same exponent for y, and they have the same exponents x and y respectively. Some non-examples will be 5 and 5x. Even though they both have 5 in them, one does not have an x and one has a variable. Another example is 2x to the power of 2 and times y to the power of 2 and 4xy to the power of 2. Now as you see, 2x to the power of 2 has an exponent of 2 for its variable x, and 4xy to the power of 2 does not have an exponent of 2 for the variable x. So now that we know that, let's try some light practice. We're just going to answer yes or no to whether these terms are like terms or not. So the first one is 3zy squared and minus negative 2zy squared. So since they have the same variables, z and y, and they have the same exponent on y, they are like terms. So yes. Second, 3xy and 3xyx. So I know that they have the same variables x and y, but when you simplify this, it becomes 3x squared y, since x and x multiply to become x squared. So they do not have the same exponent for x, and therefore they are not like terms. The third one is a bit tricky. 8 and 14 squared. They do not have the same exponent, but that's because 14 squared is not evaluated yet. So when this is evaluated, it will be 196 and 8. And since they have the same exponent now and no variables, they are like terms. So this is an exception. You can add or subtract with like terms, but not unlike terms. Here are 3 expressions. We're going to simplify them by adding or subtracting the like terms. The first one is 2x plus 3x plus 2. We can simplify this and add them together. So 2x plus 3x plus 2 will be 5x plus 2. The second one is 3zy squared plus 2z to the power of 2 times y to the power of 2. We cannot add these two since they are not like terms, but we can add zy squared to the first one. So let me just place them together. 3zy squared plus zy squared plus 2z squared y squared. Simplify them together into 4zy squared plus 2z squared y squared. The last one is negative 4x plus 4xy minus 4x times y. So simplify it to this, getting a bit crowded. Cancel these two, they both equal to 0, and you're left with negative 4x. So that's it. So guys, that's it with like and unlike terms. Hope you learned a lot. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please be sure to click the subscribe button. My next lesson will be polynomials, adding and subtracting, and multiplying and dividing. And if you want more information on myself or Archimedes Tutor, please visit my website www.archimedestutor.com. Until then, stay tuned to Archimedes Tutor.